Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this part in FreeCAD 1.1 like this, and this blueprint. Okay, let's start. First we need create a new sketch. We select XZ plane, then create this profile. First create a rectangle from here and create a circle. Trim the sketch. Symmetrical the line. And this line equal constraint. In here, radius 14, and from here 13, 35. So we need here 25 millimeter, and this 19 millimeter, and the radius 40. Next, this point horizontal. Okay, the sketch is falling constraint. We leave the sketch, close. Next, we need to pad the 100 millimeter. Select the sketch and select a pad command. 100 distance. Okay. Next, we need to create this pad. So here's 125 and 18 millimeter. So create a new sketch. Select YZ plane 2. Create a rectangle. Select these 2 points and the line. Symmetrical constraint. Make dimension 18 millimeter, and the height 125. All we need. Okay, finish. Select pad command, and the distance 15 millimeter. 15 millimeter. Okay. Next, select these 2 edge, and we need to hold Control keyboard. Fillet. This fillet is 10 millimeter. Okay. Next, we need to create these 2 holes. The hole is 10. So we need to select the arc. Hold Control arc and use the hole. The diameter 10 millimeter, and the length long enough. Okay, good. Next, we need to create this pocket feature. So create a new sketch. Select XZ plane. Then we need to select this edge as reference. So this edge as reference, and need constraint geometry. Geometry. create a rectangle and the arc 12 millimeter from this, like this. Okay, next trim the sketch. Constrain the symmetrical. Make dimension. This line when I see is 25, so is 13, and length 25. Next, we need to select this point horizon. Okay. The radius 12 millimeter. Okay, the sketch is falling constraint closed. We need to select pocket feature and the distance, reverse the distance. How long enough? Okay, good. Next, we need to create this pad feature. So here we create this plane and sketch on this plane. 70 millimeter from the center hole. 70 millimeter here, from here, and this 10, so 80 millimeter. So we need to create solid like this, and we delete the equal diameter, delete like this, and we need to select this edge as a reference edge. Select this edge as a reference, and this one tangent. This one tangent. Okay, it's 40 millimeter diameter, so radius 20 millimeter, and this 18 millimeter. Okay, we need to add a line, close the sketch, add a line, and the hole, add the hole. Diameter 20 millimeter. Okay, the sketch is falling constraint. We close the sketch and pad a distance. We found 22 millimeter, and here 150. So we need 100 minus 15 and minus 22. Okay, good. Next, we need pocket this feature. The feature's distance is 20 millimeter from here, and the length 35. So we need to create a new sketch and select XZ plane. We need to select this edge as a reference, and this edge. So this edge and this edge. Okay, next we need to create a rectangle. This point coincident, and make dimension this point to this edge 77.5 here, 17.5, and I see this line mark here 20 millimeter, and okay, close the sketch, pocket. We need select symmetrical and through all. Okay. Oh no, this is 20 millimeter from here. 25. Let me check this feature. Let me check from this pocket and double click edit the sketch. 25. 25. 20. Okay. 25. This hole, no, there. This pad sketch. We need a console, the circle console. Okay, like this. Good. 20. And the maybe a little bit wrong. We need check this 13, 25. Oh no, the first like this. Delete. Create a solid and the delete coincident. Oh, sorry. Make dimension from here is 13 millimeter and 40 the radio. Okay, like this. Next we need to check the pocket pad. Delete select this edge and tanger. 18. Okay, closed. The pipe 80 millimeter from here 70. There, add plus the 10. Oh, this 17 maybe from the center, so it's wrong. 17 from here 70. Good. Okay, nice. We need to add the circle add. Okay, next we need to create a hole 10 millimeter and here 25. So select this plane and create new sketch on this plane. Circle. We need select this edge as a reference. From here edge 25 millimeter and diameter 10 millimeter. Okay, close the sketch. Pocket through all. Okay. Next is the last feature. We need to create this pocket feature. Create a new sketch and select XZ plane. Next, we need to create this profile. Solid. And delete the arc. We need add a rectangle. These two endpoint coincident the line. Trim the sketch. And these 2 points coincident. Diameter 14 millimeter, 40, and the 10 millimeter, 10. These two line equal constraint. Next, 20 millimeter from the center to this point, 20 millimeter. And the radius 13. Radius 14. Okay. Leave the sketch. Select pocket command and reverse the direction through all. Okay. Next, we need to add the radius. Select this edge and this edge. Ferrite 5 millimeter. Or 4.99. Good. Next, select this pocket and friends. Diffuse the color. Select this color. Okay. We finished this model. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next video.